fishing trip. Man. There you go. Say hello. Jacob's not feeling good. Len got the first fish already in the boat. Took us a while. Our spot's not quite as good as usual. Joyce, what's going on up there, buddy? You catching any fish? Alright, we got a fish on. So got him, Becky? He's coming up. You think he's off? Keep going. I think he's on there. Yeah, he's on there. That thing's moving in a circle. Alright, nice lane snapper, huh? No, that's a mangrove. He's us. Come on, let's bring him in the boat. This is a mangrove snapper. Caught by Becky. Got our second fish on a hard day. Alright, here's the redfish that Jacob caught. He had it right to the boat. All I did basically was help lift it in.
And I was watching.
And he's feeling seasick, and he still caught that fish really good. Yep, but he's got to go in the water.
I witnessed to that way he was caught. Is that brake not too tight?
Is it spinning at all?
No.
He's alright. He's not that fast. Try to just, you can't really steer him, but try to keep him away from the motor and prop. I think you're gonna have him.
Stan! Is that considered I caught it?
Yep.
Yeah.
You caught that one.
But I could feel it wasn't that big.
He's big enough. He's a keeper.
It's the red snapper caught by altitude German. In American waters, but federal waters.
Yep.
In American waters.
All right. We'll keep
This
away
is
from
Becky. We got a big fish and we're trying to figure out what it is.
She's got the big fish of the day.
It's okay, just try, it's okay.
That's a strong one.
Do you dare? It says sometimes it takes hours to get fish in, so you're doing good. Don't worry about it. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. Oh shoot.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Real. Is it round?
Oh, it's already caught.
Oh my gosh, she got a shark.
Black tip shark.
She got a shark. Oh my God, she reeled a shark in. Oh my God.
Stronger than a shark.
Oh my God, she reeled a shark in. Becky,
Freaking job.
Becky, how you like that?
You are amazing. Let's get in the boat.
Nah.
Stupid fish.
Boy, we got the bastard who caught you. Who got
That's
all
not
of
all our bait, huh? But we gotta let him back go, and he's. Yeah, Dan. That way. Yeah, that way. It's gotta go that way. Yeah.
Good Good job, Rebecca.
Becky, you did good. You kept him. Oh, he's snapping, so watch out.
He gave a good fight.
Oh, watch out. Holy roly. He's going to try to get on the boat.
He's not giving up yet.
Jacob, Becky. Look here, Becky. You got to look here.
That's
Ooh.
alright. Dude.
Okay. So what you going to do, Dan? Okay, yeah, go ahead and dehook him. We got him. I got him good early. I don't want him to die, you know, but...
I fought you. You lost.
Alright, look out.
Okay, watch out. You gotta get back. Here, get that up here. Jacob, put that over there.
Good fight. Good fight.
Just be careful, Dan, too.
Look out.
Jacob, watch out, baby. Ooh, he's still fighting. Oh,
Got him good, huh? Hold
Yeah.
this, please.
I got him good.
Because that shark, I mean,
Watch out.
he's big. It's a freaking...
Dan, you didn't get close to him?
Oh, don't hit me.
It's about like that.
Oh,
Yeah, I would say about 3 foot.
He's tired.
Dan, what is he, about 3 foot?
3 to 4 feet. He's in between there. He's like 3.5.
I know him.
He's closer to 4 feet.
Oh,
you
yeah.
didn't see him, Pop?
huh?
You didn't see him?
Come see.
I seen him.
Alright, I need this. Broad hold.
Could I hold it?
I need him brought close. So I can get the hook.
Dan, be careful.
Don't hurt yourself.
Watch Jacob, I want to get him.
That thing's spicy. Look.
Oh, all right, he got off now.
He's like looking at me.
Oh, he took the hook, huh?
Weight and everything.
Yeah.
That was enough motivation to... Alright, what's that?
Fishy. I caught.
You caught that? That's your red snapper?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Alright, we got another one on the deck. It was hard to reel in? Yeah, they're tough.
Hey, this is the baby of that one.
Okay. Alright, let's see if we can get a few more before we gotta head in. Alright, it's 6:15, and believe it or not, we ended up with our limit. But it was a hard limit to catch, huh? Yeah, you caught a shark.
I caught a giant redfish.
Giant
Was it
redfish.
jacked as a shark?
And Joyous caught a snapper all by himself. And even Opa caught a fish.
Yeah. Within the limit.
I caught a little fish.
Alright,
I caught the last fish.
that was our last stop, that rig. Last rig, last stop, we made our limit.
I caught the biggest fish too. Second, actually shark.
Alright.
Hey, we heading back in. We got our catch for the day. Red snapper.
What?
I'm talking to the camera. Dan and his dad. Becky and Dylan. Jacob. Dawn. Becky, go in. Had a good time? Had a good time? Had a good time? Get wet?
Now, you did good.
I caught a shark.
Let's not forget it.
Just don't want y'all to
All the
figure.
other fish you caught.
I don't care about the other fish I caught. I just care about the shark I caught. That almost ripped me in.
Oh, okay.
No, stay on. Yes, but wait. One day.
We're back at the dock.